name of Allah who is merciful and beneficent. My name is Azina Tahir from the Department of BS Biotechnology, and my today's topic is structure of atom and isotope. Here we discuss about atoms. Atoms are made up of particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are responsible for the mass and charge of atom. An atom is composed of two regions: a nucleus, which is the center of atoms, contain protons and neutrons. An outer region holds its electron to which surround the nucleus. Protons and neutrons have approximately same mass, about 1.67 into raised per minus 24 grams, which is scientists defined as 1 atomic mass unit or 1 dalton. Electron has a negative charge equal to positive charge plus 1 of a proton. Neutrons are uncharged particles found within the nucleus. There are some terms we define atom. The smallest particle possible of possible amount of matter, which still retains its identity as a chemical element consisting of nucleus surrounded by electrons. Proton, positively charged subatomic particles forming part of the nucleus of an atom, determining the atomic nucleus of an atom, and its weights about 1 amu. Neutron is subatomic particles part of the nucleus of an atom, which has no charge, and it is equal to the mass of proton. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains all the chemical properties of element. Atoms combine to form molecules, which then interact to form solid, liquid, and gases. For example, water is composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Atoms have combined to form water molecules. Many biological processes are devoted to breaking down molecules into their components atoms so they can be reassembled into more useful molecules. Atomic particles. Atoms consist of three basic particles: proton, electron, and neutron. The nucleus, the center of an atom, contains protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged and neutrons having no charge. The outermost region of the nucleus, a region of the atom, are called electron shell and contain the electrons negatively charged. Atoms have different properties based on the arrangement and the number of basic particles. Then hydrogen contains only one proton and electron, and no neutrons can be used to determine the atomic number and the mass number of the element. Here the figure through which we represent electrons, protons, and neutrons in the nucleus. In this figure, protons are shown by positive charges and neutrons with no charges in the nucleus, and electrons are by negative charges around in the outermost shell of the nucleus. Furthermore, there is the volume of atoms. Accounting for the size of protons, neutrons, and electrons, most of the volume of atom, greater than 99%, is in fact empty space. Despite all these empty spaces, solid subjects do not pass through one another. The electrons that surround all atoms are negatively charged, cause one atom to repel one another, preventing atoms from occupying the same space. Intermolecular forces prevent you falling from through an object like you in chair. Next, we discussed about atomic mass. Protons and neutrons have approximately same masses, about 1.67 multiplied by 10 raised by minus 24 grams, as I told earlier. Scientists define this amount of mass as an atomic mass or 1 dalton. All are similar in masses. Protons are positive charge, negative neutrons are having no charge. Therefore, number of neutron in atom contributes significantly to its mass, but not its charge. Electrons are smaller in mass than proton, and it's weighed about 9.11 into raised per minus 28 grams. Therefore, they do not contribute to an element's overall atomic mass. While considering atomic mass, it's customary to ignore the mass of an electron and calculate the atom's mass based on number of protons and neutrons alone. Electrons contribute greatly to the atom charge, as each electron has a negative charge equal to positive charge of proton. Scientists define these charge plus 1 and plus minus negative as an uncharged and neutral atom. The number of electrons orbiting the nucleus is equal to the number of protons inside the nucleus. In these atom, positive and negative charge cancel each other and leading to an atom with no net charge. Atomic number and atomic mass. Further, the atomic number is the number of protons in an element, while the mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Here are the terms so we can define, like mass number, the sum of number of protons and the number of neutrons in an atom. Atomic number, the number of protons in an atom. And atomic mass, the average mass of an atom, taking account all its naturally occurring isotopes. Atomic mass. Atomic number, neutral atoms of an element contain an equal number of protons and electrons. The number of electrons determines element's atomic number, which is represented by Z. For example, carbon's atomic number is 6 because it has 6 protons. The number of neutrons vary. To produce isotopes, which are atoms of the same elements having same different number of neutrons. For instance, iron can exist in natural state on or in the +2 or +3 state. Mass number, element mass number, which is represented by A, is the sum of proton, is a number of proton and the number of neutron. The small contribution of mass from his electron is regarded calculating the mass number. The approximation of mass can be used to easily calculate how many neutrons an element has by simple subtracting the number of protons from the mass number. Here the figure through which we represent mass number and atomic number. Here the the digits like on the symbol, the digits that present on upper side represent atomic number, and that present on lower side represent the mass number. As and this is atomic and mass number of carbon 12 and carbon 13. Scientists determine the atomic mass by calculating the mean of mass number for its natural occurring isotopes. Often the resulting number contains a decimal. For example, the atomic number of chlorine is 35.45 AMU because chlorine is composed of several atoms, some with a mass of 35 and AMU having 17 protons and 18 neutrons, with atomic mass with 37 AMU, 17 protons and 20 neutrons. Giving an atomic number Z and mass number A, you can find a number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in non-neutral atom. For example, lithium atom, its atomic number and mass number Z is equal to 3 and A is equal to 7, contain 3 protons, 3 electrons, as well as electron is equal to protons and 4 neutrons. Isotopes. The further discussion is on isotopes. Isotopes are various forms of an element having same number of protons, different number of neutrons. Isotope, the definition of isotope, any of the two or more forms of an element having of where the atoms having the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons within the nuclei. Isotopes are the atoms of same element that contain same number of proton, different neutron. Despite having different numbers of neutrons, isotopes of the same element have same physical properties. Some isotopes are unstable and undergo radioactive decay to become another element. Predictable half-life of different decaying isotopes allow scientists to date material based on its isotopic composition, such as carbon-14 dating. Half-life, the time it takes for the half the renal concentration of isotope to decay back into the more stable form. Radio active isotopes, isotope, an atom with an unstable nucleus. Isotope. What is isotope? The various forms of an element having same numbers of proton, different numbers of neutrons. Some elements having, such as carbon, potassium, and uranium, having multiple naturally securing isotopes. Isotopes are defined by first by their elements and then by the sum of protons and neutrons. Carbon 12 contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Therefore, it has a mass number of 12 AMU. Carbon 14 contains 6 protons, 8 neutrons, and 6 electrons, and its atomic mass is 14 AMU. While the mass of individual isotopes is different, their physical and chemical properties remain unchanged. Isotopes to different stability. Carbon 14, a most abundant carbon isotope, accounting for 98.89 of percent of the carbon on Earth. Carbon 14 is unstable and only occurs in trace amounts. Unstable isotopes have commonly emit alpha particles and electrons. Neutrons, protons, and positrons can be emitted, and electrons can be captured by to attain more stable atomic configuration through a process called radioactive decay. The new atoms created may be in high energy state and emit gamma rays, which lowers the energy that atoms do not change the atoms into another isotope. These atoms are called radioactive isotopes or radio isotopes. And thank you. This is all from my side.